This is a question I see a lot on the forums. How do you make a zero clearance insert? Well, I've got a 3/4 inch dado stack in here. I don't have an insert for it yet, so I'm just going to make one. I just made a blank out of Baltic birch plywood, fit it into my table saw insert. If it sits a little low, you can put a couple screws in the back, raise it up so they hit the tabs on the table saw. All I'm going to do here is move my fence over. You can see I've got a finger hole here, so I can tell that the blade isn't under the finger hole, so I can go at least that far with my fence to hold the insert down. And then on this other side, I'm just going to grab the edge of it with this push block, keeping my fingers away from the blade. I'll plug my saw in, start it up, hold that down, and slowly raise my blade. And that's how you safely make a zero clearance insert.